welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the December 6th gift from the Madam Glam Advent Calendar. I've already done December 1st through the 5th. So if you guys haven't seen that, I actually made a playlist of the Madam Glam Advent Calendar. So you guys can go check that out after the video if you're interested. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm super excited to see what Madam Glam has for us today. And if you're wondering why my nails are different, this video is actually going to be dropping today. I did a little kawaii set, which is super cute. I love nails like this. I don't know if you guys do, but I'm obsessed with those kawaii nails. So yeah, I definitely had to do a set. I bought a bunch of kawaii nail charms for Black Friday. So yeah, I was super happy about that. Let me just move this stuff out of the way. But yeah, let's see. December 6th, this is the box. So let's see what we have for December 6th. This box is really cute. This one is all black with some feathers on it. This is a nice change from the other boxes. The rest of them were gold, holographic and stuff like that. So this one's just solid matte black. So yeah, I think this one has to be a polish. I'm going with polish. It just feels like one, but you never know. I could be wrong. But yeah, let's open it up. Oh, it's not a polish, but it is a top coat. This is the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. This is actually one of my favorite top coats. I use this a lot in my videos, and I'm actually almost out, literally. So this was a really nice gift from Madam Glam. And this is what the brush looks like. This top coat is really nice and shiny, but it's not super shiny to where it's you know, really hard to photograph with. I really like using this top coat because it doesn't really give me much of a glare when I take my nail photos. If you guys watch my videos a lot, you've probably heard me say that. So yeah, this top coat, I definitely do recommend it. I do like it a lot. But yeah, that was a nice addition to our other gifts. So far we got 2 polishes, a polygel brush, 2 polygels, and a base coat, and now we have the top coat. So that's really nice. So yeah, I can't wait to see what we have for tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Today's the 6th. So tomorrow is the 7th. Let me just zoom you guys out really quick. So tomorrow is the 7th. So this is the box for the 7th. I'm guessing it's probably another polish, but we shall see. So yeah, as always, the links to the Advent Calendar will be in the description box. This is a really nice gift to give yourself. It really does give you guys something to look forward to during the month of December. Just unboxing a gift every day is really nice. And I really cannot wait to unbox this gift on the 25th, Christmas. This is supposed to be the biggest gift in the whole Advent Calendar, and I really want to see what's in on the 11th too, because this box looks super big. But we'll wait and see. I'm not gonna peek. I used to do that all the time when I was younger. I would always peek at my presents, make little holes in them and try to see what it was. My mom used to get so mad. But yeah, now that I'm older, I think I have a little more self-control. It is tempting, but yeah, I'm not gonna do it. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing. And don't forget to check out my other video with my kawaii nails, which should be uploading sometime today if it's not uploaded already at the time of you guys watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.